This is an Encon Art Deco, which was their Spirit of Saturn knockoff that I got as part of a trade with JR. And it's a little bit different than the other one I have. First off, in regards that it has all its parts, but never mind. The blades are black on both sides. The switch housing is a little wider, and it does not have a flush mountable canopy amongst a couple of others. It's missing the little dust screen that goes there. You can kind of see that there's not one. So, you know, I can always make those out of window screen material, though. That's not a big deal. But it's a pretty neat fan. I love anything with Saturn rings on it, and I also love spotlights. So win-win. And the light works. Very nice, very nice. My different colored CFLs, one's daylight, and the other one's a soft light. Just in case you never knew the difference there. But anyway, the fan runs as well. I see. Runs really well, and it actually moves pretty good air. It's got slide bearing noise though. That's the medium. Low. And off. And like I said, you know, I absolutely love these Spirit of Saturn knockoffs. I have a couple different kinds. Well, I shouldn't say that. I really don't. I have those Alaska 42-inch things with the two lines on them and the turtle footers. And I have this, the one in the attic that's parted out. Well, not parted out, it's just in pieces. That's one I got a long time ago. And then the Design House Spirit of Saturn knockoff, which I have not found yet. But anyway, I do love them. Anyway, there's that video, and I hope that you enjoyed.